Today, I'm going to show you how to make this awesome photo collage text effect entirely in Canva. It's super easy, looks incredibly professional, and you can customize it with all your favorite family memories. Let's dive right in. First, let's open Canva and create a new design. I'm going with a standard Instagram post size. Let's give our background a nice soft color. A light beige or yellow works perfectly. Next, press T on your keyboard to bring up a text box and type in the word DAD. You want a really thick, heavy font for this so the photos show through clearly, so I highly recommend changing the font to Anton. Drag the corners to make it massive across your canvas. Now, let's give our text a crisp border. Click on your text, go to Effects on the top toolbar, and choose Outline. Change the outline color to black and reduce the thickness down just a bit so it looks clean. Once that looks good, hit Share, Download, turn on Transparent Background, and save the image to your computer. After downloading, select your text again, click the transparency icon at the top right, and drop it all the way to 0. Download the image one more time, but this time, turn off transparent background. Here comes the magic trick. Delete everything on your canvas. Change the background color to easily see the image we will upload. Bring in the two images you just saved. Next, go to Apps in the left sidebar and search for Image Cutout Maker. Now select the yellow background and click Use Selected Image. Once again, when it's done, go back to the top and resize the image until it completely fills the yellow background. Return to your Canva design, delete the two uploaded images since they're no longer needed, then click Add to Design. Resize the new cutout element until it snaps into place and covers the entire page. Next, click Edit, scroll down to Shadows and select See All. Choose Outline, then customize the outline by changing its color and adjusting the size. And that's it! You've just created your own custom text mask. Now for the fun part, adding our photos. A quick pro tip, go to File, then click Settings, and click Show Rulers and Guides. Drag some guidelines between your letters so you know exactly where to place each picture. Now, drag your first photo onto the canvas. To position it perfectly inside a specific letter, temporarily drop the photo's transparency so you can see the text underneath. Adjust the size, crop it, and once it's perfect, bring the transparency back to 100. Right-click, select Layer, and click Send Backward to tuck it neatly behind our text mask. Just repeat this process until every letter is packed with memories. To finish the design, let's add a few final touches. Press T to insert a new text box and type something like, My Best. Pick a font that complements your design, then position it around your main text. Next, press T again and type, I love you. Choose a different font to create some contrast, then place it wherever it looks best. You can also change the text colors to match your style. And that's it! Your design is complete. A beautiful custom photo collage. You can easily adapt this technique for birthdays, anniversaries, or travel posts. If you enjoyed this quick tutorial, hit that like button and subscribe for more awesome Canva tips. See you in the next one.